Hey guys, Phil here at Woods Tree Farm. Every time I do this job, which I have to do every, I don't know, 6 to 8 weeks or so, I wish I had a bigger bucket. And yes, I know I can get a bigger bucket for my tractor, but you know, it's just something I'll spend money on. I got a lot of things to spend money on around here, and that's just not that high on the list. But I can still tell you, I wish I'd have a bigger bucket. Moving these wood chips around, we get wood chips delivered for free from different tree companies, and we use the wood chips all over the property. And we also cover our entire parking area here with wood chips, and we use them on paths, and we use them around our trees. So anyway, we get a lot of wood chips dropped off here, and for the ones that we want to put around our trees, I don't want to use any of the green wood chips, so we stage them up here to compost for a bit. And what I have right here up close to me is all the newest chips. There was this load that was just dropped off yesterday, and since I have a couple different companies dropping off, I don't know who exactly is doing this, but there is a bunch of branches and small logs mixed up in here, and it's not all just chips, so that's kind of adding to the amount of work. But today, just in the interest of time, I don't have time to go rooting through it all and sort it out, so I just want this pile out of the way. And then I do need to turn this pile. I haven't turned it in quite a while, so I need to start moving some of these newer chips up here down towards that end down there where all of our older chips are. And as we turn this pile and move stuff down over time, our composted wood chips, or at least partially composted wood chips, end up down at that far end over there. That's what I'm working on today. I'm gonna have some quality tractor time. Follow along, let's have a little fun. Here we go. That heat just coming off of that composting wood chip pile there. So this is exactly why I turn it, because you couldn't see any of that heat outside the pile. It was all inside. So I want to turn the pile so some of that, you know, more green matter that's on the outside here, that's nice and dry and fresh and everything, I want this stuff to get mixed up with that stuff so that I can all kind of compost at the same rate. So I worked the back side of the pile here. That's actually something that I haven't done in quite a while. So I turned in all this really hot stuff here, and now I can get back to work on this side of the pile and move some of this stuff further down that way, and then I think we'll be pretty good to go. And after the Christmas season, I got to come up here to this part and root through this and pull all this wood out. So some good stuff in there, a lot of red oak, a little bit of maple, so some stuff that I can turn into firewood. Well, now you know my process for wood chips. Got all the old stuff down here, and I'm counting off my paces as I go up here because I don't know if you can really tell the scale, but there is a lot of wood chips up here. I don't know how many tens of yards there are, but there's a lot. But we've been going through it. We use quite a bit around the trees, around the paths, and here on the parking area and all that. So, you know, it's nice to take someone else's waste and put it to good use. All right, just count it off. For me, it's 40 paces from here to the end of the pile. So at an average of about 3 feet per pace, 120 feet. And we've got a pile in places that's 6 feet tall. So you can do the math on how much volume you think that is. But point being, it's a lot. So anyway, if you guys got any questions about what we do with our wood chips, what else we do on our farm, or anything like that, just leave it in the comments. I'll be happy to answer your questions. Until next time, see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Have a good one.